Namaste, welcome to my channel Chandra's Gardening and More. This is me Chandana. So today we are going to sow the seeds. So in our channel we sowed many seeds. This is the second part of yesterday's previous video. That is ginger. And the main thing is, while you're sowing seeds, for every seed there should be at least 2 to 3 inches gap for every seed. You have to place it like that. If you'll keep them very near, then the other plant cannot grow properly. So make sure to keep them somewhat of far, so the seed grows completely and healthily. So now I kept seeds. They are bean seeds, as you can see. We are keeping in another tub also, like in 2 tubs. If we don't get one, we'll get in another. Let's hope. And now we are keeping ginger. For that, see, for every seed you need sand mixture. You have to know which sand it will grow properly. So for that vegetable seeds, they are keeping in vermicompost, like that composted, like in this black soil. So in this sand, if you will keep ginger, it will propagate easily and we can get many plants through that single ginger, and they'll grow perfectly. So keep them like in a sleeping position, so that you will get multiple birds from that single ginger. So you can see we kept and we covered with sand. Now we are keeping bendy seeds, also lady's finger. So I am taking that's the small pot, so we have to repot it. So that's why I am keeping in this small one. You can see I am keeping 4 seeds. Let's see how many seeds will germinate. Keep like that. Don't dig the soil too much, and don't keep the seeds inside the soil. If you will keep in more depth, then the seed will not germinate easily, and also it may decompose in the soil. Just a small layer, it's enough, and cover it with soil as you see in the video. And you can see that they are mint, which I am trying to grow them in only water, no soil. You can see how healthy they are. And that is Ridgeguard flower. Now we are going to plant coriander, and which is our home coriander, dhania, and purchased dhania. Let's see which will germinate fast. For that I am planting both of those. So before planting dhania, you have to smash it, like that. You have to smash it, so they'll break and it will grow faster. This is one tip you can think. And like that you can smash how many seeds you want as per your wish. And I am transferring those seeds to that plate. Please smash the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Now we are keeping those dhania seeds into the soil, as you can see. So just evenly, not throwing of them, spread it. It's enough, because coriander will grow very widely, and once if we are having it in our garden, then it will never die, as per my conviction. As same, cover it with sand or soil. Now we are keeping brinjal seeds. Those are pink brinjal which will grow long. That brinjal. So again same thing, we will repot them, right? So first let the seeds germinate. I don't know whether they will germinate or not sure about that. And this is palak, also known as spinach in English. Those seeds are very small and looking very pretty seeds. Let's keep those seeds also. And the main thing, please like the video. It is also absolutely free. And so if you are beginners, first start with growing leafy vegetables because they'll give instant result. So you'll get more interest on doing gardening. That's what everyone does. And if you wanted to start with vegetables, it may take some late because you have to know perfect, you have to know about seeds, the sand it needs. So start with leafy vegetables, you'll get instant result. That's my suggestion. And yeah, keeping seeds like that as you can see in the video. They are dhania, and these are hybrid dhania which we bought from market. You can see they are red in color, and smash them also. You get instant results. Will be at the ending of the video. Don't skip the video. Wait for ending because ending will be always awesome, superb. And same as it is, spread them evenly and cover it with soil. So this is monsoon season, so cover your seeds by using some rice bags or whatever you're having.